Hey, what's good, people? Welcome back. Studios back at me. How you been? I have this 2003 Mercedes-Benz SLK 320. This is a 3.2 liter engine, V6. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. Oil change. That's right. All right, come on, let's get it. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Love you. No Diddy. Pause. Come on. You know how Mercedes-Benz do. This baby has 34,000 miles, almost 35. You come over here, pull this guy down. That's how you open the hood. You're gonna have this lever. This one is stuck though, but that's how you do it. You push it up. Then you don't need to hold it though because you have the piston. Over here where everything is beautiful. Let me break it down for you. Battery, windshield fluid reservoir, coolant reservoir, oil dipstick, oil filter, steering tank, engine oil cap. We need this. Also, brake fluid reservoir, ABS, fuse box. Alright. What I like to do in the oil filters with the European cars or any other car that has a filter on top, pulse, I like to open it and not remove it all the way if it's going to be leaking. Just remove it all the way and let it sit there. Then I go down and drain the oil, pulse. And when I come back, I take care of the oil filter. You know what I'm saying? And that's what we're gonna do now. Alright, so come on. I have this set for the heavy duty oil filter. Wrench set. Let me put it over here. And usually, let's see if this one works. Yep, that's what it is. The size for this is 76/14. This one you can find it in Harbor Freight. I think I pay like between 50 and 70. You know. All right, let's remove that oil filter. All right, counterclockwise. Like I said, I'm just gonna leave it sitting there, okay? Because there's still some oil. Just leave it there for now. Let's go to the bottom. Right, we're gonna have this cover. 4 bolts, 8mm. 1, 2, 2 in the back. 1, 2. We'll remove that to expose the bottom of the engine. Right, here's gonna be a 13mm oil drain plug. I'll remove it, drain the oil. There you go. What you think about that oil? Let me know. Put it in the comment box. Alright, let it drain and it looks decent over here in the bottom. 2013 Mercedes-Benz SLK 320. Alright. You're right so far. But there's a leak though over there by the valve cover. I'll show you later. Once you're done, tight it, snug it. Put the cover back. 2013 Mercedes-Benz SLK 320. No EPV, regular brakes. Rear suspension, links, shocks. single exhaust, double resonator. Front suspension. Brakes with sensor. All right, the filter. Ooh, this one's long. Pause. Here we have an oil ring over there, oil ring over here, oil ring over here. We're just gonna pull up this filter. We have another oil ring here, and the new oil filter comes with it, with all this. All right. Here's the new oil filter, main filter. That's a brand, HU7185X. There you go. It doesn't matter the weight though. Put it in there. Press it all the way down. Now put the oil rings. To make it easier on yourself, put some grease on the oil rings. A little bit on the thread. For you, for the next time. I'll put it back in. Don't worry about that, I'll clean that in a minute. Tied it with the same socket you remove it with. Over here it tells you 25 Newton meter, that's the torque specification. But if you don't have a torque wrench, just do it manually, like so. Right there, until it's tight, like that. Pretty much. And now the oil. This one's gonna take 8.5 quarts or 8 liters, 5W30 or 5W40. It's up to you. All right, but it takes both. Yeah. If you want to measure the oil, here's our guy. The oil should be right here or close to it. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the new oil, start the car, let it run for a minute, so the oil go through, especially through the filter. Then shut it down. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it, dip it in again, pull it out. You have a reef. Once you pour the oil there, just put the oil cap back. That's pretty much it with this baby now. All right.